This is the story of twin brothers, Tim and Jerry, who decided to do something good for humanity in response to personal tragedy. They decided to embark on a quest to make sure every family had access to the best possible first aid equipment and education. They searched high and low to find the perfect solution to empower every human in the face of adversity, but they couldn't find what they were looking for. So, they decided to create their own. They started with an emergency handbook, so people would know what to do and who to call when tragedy struck. This book won lots of awards and sold millions of copies around the world. They also gave more than 50,000 copies away for free, but that wasn't enough. Next, they pioneered state-of-the-art first aid kits, so people could save themselves and others in an emergency. These became a leading product across the globe for homes, work sites and emergency services, and have undoubtedly saved countless lives. But this still wasn't enough. So, they created the iFirstAid app to connect friends and families and protect the people we care about most, wherever they may be in the world. Which brings us to today, 30 years later, where they continue to search for the best and brightest ways to keep every human safe, secure, and inspired with the ability to protect those they love best. What will they think of next? And then there's Ralph, but he's a whole different story.